Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today in this video we are going to review the Petron Bass Buds Pro, which has been recently launched in India and is available on Amazon for 1500 rupees. So this video is going to be a review video. I have been using this product for last 10 to 15 days. So we will talk about its quality, performance and value for money. So you will receive this kind of packaging. So in this packaging you will have a charging case along with two earbuds, two pair of ear tips and a type C USB charging cable. So you type C USB charging cable. So you can see here the some of the information regarding its product. So some important points to be noted here is it has 40 milliampere battery for each of the earbuds, 300 milliampere battery for the case. The talk time is about 3 hours and the music play is about 4 hours, and the charging time for the whole charging case along with earbuds is 1.5 hours. The transmission range is 10 meters and the connectivity is Bluetooth 5.0. So we will discuss all these features along with its pros and cons regarding this product. So the whole product would actually look like this. There is a Petron banding onto the case. There is nothing much more onto this case, along with some of the basic information such as battery capacity, input and where it has been manufactured along with its model name. So one of the good thing is this case mainly provides USB type C for charging, so which has been recently a new interface for most of the portable devices. So when you open this case you will actually see this kind of, so this is the exact model. So you get two wireless earbuds Pro along with the small LED display which shows the battery capacity of the charging case. So guys, one thing you need to remember, so the battery capacity which is displayed here is the capacity of the charging case, not the battery capacity of the individual earbuds. So when you remove these earbuds, it will start pairing with each other, and if the Bluetooth is on your mobile phone, it will directly get paired with your mobile phone also. As it is a true wireless earbud, you can use individual earbuds for calling as well as listening to music. So as per the claims, there is 4 hours of music playback capability. So as per my usage, I only got 2.5 to 3 hours of music playback capacity, and the talk time is about 3 hours. I was not able to check this overall capacity, but it would be rated around 2.5 hours according to my information. So the whole construction of the earbud is very light in weight. It is nearly about 4 grams, and the fitting inside your ears is also comfortable. It is not too heavy and it fits perfectly. Even if you are exercising or you are running, it does not fall off from your ears. So the construction is of plastic. So one of the advantage you get with this model is they have capacitive touch interface, so there is no any physical button. So the single tap means you can play or pause the songs, double tap forward the song or return to the previous song, triple tap means it will enable the Google Assistant or Siri. So these earbuds are compatible for both iPhone and Android phones. So as you see this, so when I remove these earbuds, they will start pairing with each other themselves, and then they would connect with the mobile phones. So as you place these earbuds into its case, they will start charging, and it will also show the individual battery capacity using the bar graph which is displaying here, that is left and right. So the overall construction of the case is also very light. You can keep it in your pockets. There is some glossy finish where the earbuds gets plugged into its charging point. So there is a magnetic type, there is a magnetic pinpoint connection, so it even does not fall off if you invert the case. So you can see I have already inverted and also shaking this ear case, the earbud does not fall. So the magnetic pinpoints are strong enough to hold your earbuds. So the whole case has been given a matte finish which gives some premium feel, along with the USB Type-C port. So coming to its advantages, the advantages is it is a very cost effective model, and it provides some of the awesome features such as touch sensitive buttons, along with some digital LED display which gives battery capacity information rather than the LED indications, which does not provide the accurate battery information for the most of the times. So one of the disadvantages is that it does not have any physical button for manually turning on or off for the charging. So even if your earbuds has been charged up to 95%, there is no any option that you can turn off the charging. What I mean to say is, when you place this earbuds Pro on its charging point, it starts charging even if it is 95%. So you have to remember that you should always charge your case to the fullest extent, so you does not get into a troublesome situation where you actually needed it. So this feature is awesome. I liked it very much. That is this small LED display which gives some vital information regarding the battery usage. Then the next thing which I didn't like about this audio quality. The audio quality is very flat. As you can there is no any bass effect as it is mentioned onto this box, such as Bassbud Pro. The previous versions of this model was actually having a good bass effect, but this model has no bass effect at all. So think before if you are purchasing. It has a very flat audio profile. It is basically very good for call or some video conference type of audio, but you will not enjoy the music if you are a bass freak guys. So I am not recommending it if you like a bass much more. So this is not a product for you. So depending upon its pricing and the features they have provided, I think it's a value for money product for those who are looking out for cheaper true wireless earbuds. It also comes with lot more of features with such as touch sensitive buttons, LED display, a Type-C USB cable, which are only available above 3K mark models. So if you ask me whether to purchase this model or not, I would rather say you can purchase it, but if you are looking out for some extreme thump experience and extreme bass, so this is not a model for you guys. So you can purchase this previous versions, which is Bassbud Pro, which is available on Amazon for $999. I will leave the links in the description for both of the models. So if you have any questions regarding this model or any other thing which you want to ask me, you can comment down in the comment section. So this was a small video regarding this Speedtron Bassbuds. I hope you like this video. Thank you. Please like, share and comment if you really like this video. Thank you.